We got a 2024 Audi S3. We got the 2.0 turbo on there. It's got about 300 horsepower factory, but it's got all-wheel drive. So this is the Audi version of a Golf R. We're chopping off the muffler right there. We got to simulate the valves with the AWE simulators, so no check engine light. And then slapping some carbon fiber tips. Should look pretty sweet. Boom. All right. Should look badass, guys. Clean, 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 clean. So yeah, customer wanted a little bit more aggressive. You have no resonators on this car. It's all straight pipe up front, as you can see. All piping. Oh, you got a little baby resonator, I guess. I don't know why they throw that in there. Maybe it's to reduce a little bit of drone. But yeah, for the most part, you got all the way straight pipe, 2 secondary cats. You don't touch those. Unless he does a down pipe in the future, it'll bypass them. But you have to get it tuned, and don't recommend it unless you're building a race car. So, like I said, Muffy D, carbon fiber, Gexhaust 4-inch tips, and valve simulators by AWE. So, wait till you hear this thing. It's gonna sound sick. That's the Audi S3. This thing is an absolute beast. I love this car, man. Completely redesigned up front. Whole new dashboard, whole new entertainment system. Like I said, it's a nice version of a Golf R, which those cars are pretty monstrous as well. It's just a more luxury version. Check out the interior. Got the quilted red stitching on it. It looks dope as hell. Got red stitching throughout the whole car. And then to the back end, we complemented it with a set of Gexhaust tips to match the red trim all over the car. So got the red Gexhaust logo with the carbon fiber to match the rear wing. We got this car looking sweet. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you have an Audi S3 or an S4 or an S5 or an S6 or an S7, just hit us up, guys. We have exhaust systems for all of them. AWE makes really good kits for all these Audis, available at gexhaust.com. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and reach out to Gexhaust Oakland, Gexhaust Davey. We're answering questions 24/7. Gexhaust out.